Hello everyone and welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. EROS is looking too amazing in the pre-market. I try to avoid pre-market as I can, but it already continued yesterday. It is in 36% up. It is in 151k shares already exchanged, and it's only 6 a.m. So I feel like I have to enter. I just set up my entrance, which is 425. See if I get it or not, or I'm going to change it. We're going to see that. 4 is going to be my stop. Now I pre-read it, so if I do enter, I'm going to submit it soon. No, actually, just a few seconds after, to make sure that I'm not letting the pre-market kind of take whatever it wants. Thinking about moving to the 20. Okay. Second thought, I see a huge share in 423. So I want to be still on 425. And just enter, and it's crashed the second I entered, which is nice. Okay, so I'm going to take my partial just below the pivot point, which is 471. If I get it. Again, my stop is still on the 4, so I'm waiting, and I hope this day is going to be a green one. Okay, now it started to be a little bit jumpy. It's 7 a.m. Wow, that's a good one. 7 a.m. It seems that some of the brokers are able to give you the ability to pre-market. In interactive brokers, it's 4 a.m. So I'm using that when I can. Actually, as I said, I'm trying to avoid completely, if I can, avoid a pre-market. Now, in my eyes, the pre-market and the market people are completely different traders. So I'm not considering what happened in the pre-market to be continuing in the trading day. I might miss my partial. Might be a little bit more trying to get big money. We will see. Oh no, it's looking bad. I'm still not moving my stop. I moved it just a bit, so it's 410, but I'm not jumping it to my entrance yet. I'm going to let it run a bit. Now I do run the time really faster, because you can see that today I'm looking at 5-minute candle and not 1-minute candle. Again, it's the pre-market, so everything is really slow. But the setup that the stock did in the morning, the flag on the 425, was just too amazing to ignore. And actually, I would ignore it if it wasn't already reached 155k shares, which is amazing. 6 a.m. Okay, I want to move my stop. I want to move it below the doji candle. You can see it's the candle just before this one that's running right now. That should be my stop. Come on. $504k. 723, and we are at 530k. Crazy. If I need to enter after 7 a.m., I would just pass the stock saying I don't know what it's going to do. But before 7 a.m., look at the setup. Just amazing. Okay. Let's see resistant on the 448, I think. So this line needs to be break down. By the way, if you can see, the level 2 is completely messed up. It's just jumping all over and it's not really fitting with the sellers. So basically the time and sell is good. The last bid and ask is good. Level 2 is completely messed up. That's a jump. That's a huge jump. Come on. As long as I have the chart, I should be okay. That's a huge jump. Come on. Stop messing with me. Give me my partial, please, please, please. It's this time that the stock is playing with you and you don't know if it's going to reversal or not. And I decided that I do not want to lose today, so I just move it to my entrance. I will see what I get there. That's the way, that's the way. Come on. Okay, it's already touched. Why did I got my partial? Where's my partial? Okay, so I set up a new one. I might not set up that the command can execute in the pre-market. Just create another one that can. And I took my partial one, which means that I have $88 guarantee in my pocket because my stop is currently at my entrance. So if it's going to continue running today, 525-ish is going to be my partial too. Huge win. If not, it's a nice win. And hopefully it will continue. 50% does not come every day. Yeah, that's the way. And I want to make sure that I'm doing what I can. This candle will be really important. Okay. That's not the way that I want to see this candle form, but that's the stock market. Sometimes you will love what's happening and sometimes not. This case, I don't. Now we are 4 minutes from 8, and in 8 most brokers allow you to trade. So I'm expect to see some huge changes in the stock and the volume once I'm reaching 8. 1 minute away, 30 seconds away, 10 seconds away. Whoa, that was a surge so fast that for some reason my stop did not catch up. See that it did go down and it did jump up, which is crazy, all the way to 4.8. I didn't even see that, it just blinked on my screen. Yeah, I try to see if it's a mistake or not. It's not. 440. Either from here we're going to the 5 plus or we're going to crash down. I hope that is the 5, but if it's going down I'm going to exit in 429. So let's see what will happen here. Right now it's testing my stop. Still testing my stop. Come on, leave my stop alone. If this trade is going to succeed today, it's going to be an amazing day. Another jump. See that? We're already on 2.13 million shares exchange hands, which is crazy. It's only 8:16 in the morning. Okay, and I'm out. Okay, so it was a nice setup. It did work. I left before the crash, and you can see the crash. So basically from that point when I left, the stock just continued down, down, down until it reached lows. It actually was 20% down instead of being 50% up, which is crazy day. But that's the reason you trade what the stock gives you, and you're managing your time and your money. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Comment and subscribe.